Hi there, this is our Colchester Triumph 2000. It's a 1250 between centre model. It's come out of a government department and is in really good condition, nice and original. We've gone and fitted a brand new chuck to it, and three jaw, sorry. It's got a little bit of scuffing on the bed, but pretty good really. So very tidy. So starting from the back, you'll see all of that's nice and tidy. The end here we've got a photo, all your controls are there. It's got the emergency foot brake, lights working. This end's nice as well, nice and original. That tailstock's nice to move and the lock's working nicely, going in and out nice. And the taper up there is a bit rough, but pretty good. And that lock's working, so that tailstock feels good. Carriage is nice to move, very nice. Cross slide's good too, and virtually no movement there. And that compound slide's nice to move with just a fraction of play there. Coolant pump, there it is. You won't be able to hear it running probably, but that's it going and then off. I'll start it up and take you through the feeds. So I've got those feeds going there. I'll just run it through those changes. And that's going in and out nicely, feels good. I'll engage that lead screw. It's coming towards me, so that's going in and out nicely. Feels good. Gauge those feeds there. So that's the cross slide going in. And I'll change that over to the carriage moving. So that's that carriage coming towards me. So those are those feeds. They're going in and out nice here and there on the carriage. I'll run you through the speed range. Start with 25. So that's 25. 33. 45. 60, into the next range, 80, 108, 140, 190. And I'll use that foot brake, so that's that working. I'll take us through to the next range, which will be 260, 350, 470, 625, so one more range to go, and 840, 1120, 1500, 1 more, and 2000. So there's that speed range. It's nice to move through and change gears. The headstock sounds nice and quiet. So it's very, very tidy and ticks over really, really nicely.